guys, what's up? Sweetness here, and I'm back with another video. So I'm here doing some workout, catching a little breather till I get back into my sprinting. So I'm not gonna be sprinting like pretty often for the week because I'm not ready to cut, but this is like my little warm-up before I do my legs. So let's watch it out. Speed walking for 3.5 speed, and I start speed walking for like about 30 seconds, and then I sprint for 30 seconds. Sometimes I need to really catch my breath, so I'll rest for a minute and sprint again for 30 seconds. So it's 30 seconds right now, so I'll wait until I reach a minute, and then I usually start at 6 speed, but I'm gonna go to like 8 speed right now. Rest without speed walking for 30 seconds, and then I'll go back again I'm gonna push myself to 9.5 speed. Let's push it to 10. When there's an indent in my back, so I'm going to be doing some back extensions. So yeah guys, because I'm short in sweets, I'm gonna have to adjust the seat because I have short legs. Yeah, that's a lot too. is not a sprint, it's a marathon. So take your time when you're doing each exercise so you can feel it in your muscles.
Recording my pants?
I'm recording your pants because you decided not to wear any shorts.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to Front Page Body. I'm Anthony. I'm here working on my wife Zarita, crushing some legs right now. You know, I'm not wearing any shorts to show you guys my legs, what I'm working with, but I'm gonna show you guys that when I get home. You know what I'm saying? So stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. More videos coming to you guys. 2020 is my year. Time to make shit pop. All right, let's get it.
Okay, so my husband and I was having a conversation about being motivated, and I was basically saying to him that he's taken forever to be motivated for 2020, which is the truth. But I must say, he's been motivated. From since I met this guy, he's been motivated, and I was not motivated with him. Now, what he was saying is that it takes two to be motivated to push one another, and he felt like he was just trying to pull dead weight for a lot of years.
How much years?
Well, we're on our 9th year of being together.
So how much years have I been pulling you?
For 8 years.
8.5 years.
8.5 years. So it's been 8.5 years since he's been pulling me, because I was grown to basically have something that is secured. And he was more of an entrepreneurial person. I'm jumping into it, and I'm saying 2020 is my year, it's our year, it's my husband and I, our year together. So we must push and we must fight, because we're gonna make it together. Because a lot of people has faith in us. It's just for us to have faith in each other, to want to push and succeed in what we're trying to do. And yes, and now I'm trying to push. I know my husband is like a, I don't want to say dead weight, but he's like a whale in a wagon that I'm trying to pull right now. So I'm trying to like push him, because he's been pushing me for the past 8.5 years, and now he's tired. So guys, help me push him.
Are you done?
Did I say everything right?
I don't know, did you? You tell me. You tell me.
Anyways, let me crush this workout, okay? Enough talking. You know, there was one time that I couldn't do pull-ups and my husband believed in me. And now I'm able to do a couple. And just take your time. It's not a rush. And then you can feel your muscles pulsating in every little step. Trust me. And it feels wonderful. I'm so happy I could do a pull-up. I started off with using a chair for assisting me, but now I got it. Got it.